Leicester. We produce and distribute high-performance welding machines for plastic welding. From Sarnen in the heart of Switzerland for the global market. Today, we are showcasing the TRIAC BT. We have been setting the standard for over 60 years now. In Sarnen, we produce our successful hand welding tools, automatic welding machines and hand extruders. We have been setting the standard for over 60 years now. The ergonomically designed two-part plastic handle with the soft grip covering provides a secure hold. Thanks to the balanced weight allocation, working with the TRIAC BT is fatigue-proof. The temperature setting on the front of the machine can easily be viewed whilst working and is continuously adjustable. Within a short time, the TRIAC BT is heated up and ready for operation. The adapter tube with heat protection is also one of Leicester's many innovations. Even at an air temperature of 650 degrees Celsius, there is no risk of burning. The filters can be easily removed and cleaned. Sophisticated electronics prevent the accidental startup of the TRIAC BT. In the event of an electrical power outage, the heating switches off automatically and only cold air is blown through the machine. This feature helps prevent the danger of fire. Simultaneously, a red light is automatically switched on within the temperature wheel. It shows the operator that the startup protection is activated. Quickly switch the machine off and then on again, and the TRIAC BT is once again ready for operation. The 40mm angled wide slot nozzle is especially made for the industrial fabrics industry. It allows the extremely fast and precise welding of industrial fabrics with weld seams between 20mm and 40mm. Thanks to its very light weight of only 1000 grams, it is possible to weld with the TRIAC BT all day long. It doesn't matter if you work in the plastics processing or industrial fabrics industries. The TRIAC BT will never fail to impress.
Like